I'm going to get help about type command. I print type space slash and watermark and press enter. The help is shown. What does this command do? This command displays the contents of a text file or files. So I can read my file, I can display my file on my screen. What are the necessary arguments for this command? Necessary arguments are without bracket. Type is command name, it's necessary, and file name is the name of appropriate file that I will read. So I need a command name and a file name. If I only print type and press enter, then syntax is incorrect because I need a file name. From our first task, we have two files, systeminfo.txt and msinfo.txt. They are in OS directory of my main user. So I can type this file. I know that this file is in OS directory, and I print the begin of this name and press tab and autocomplete complete my file name. So I print enter and the content appear on my screen.
Teacher, I have a problem here. I'm
Yes.
trying to I'm trying to type the same thing, but mine isn't coming to like I have that is C/Windows/system32. I don't know.
Yes, you open CMD as administrator, so you need to use full path to your file. So I use an relative path because I am in my home, my user directory. You need to use full path. So we type C colon slash and all the paths. Users,
Okay.
my username, uh, folder, and file name. This is important,
Okay.
and
All right, teacher.
it's very nice that you have an error because we can understand difference between full path, between absolute path, and between relative path. Okay,
Okay, teacher.
did you understand difference between these two paths?
So what does the first one stand for what? Like because mine is in Windows System 32. So I don't know. Like what's the difference?
Uh, I will show. If I am at C Windows system,
Mm-hmm.
I'm in this folder, and
Yeah.
any files and folders inside these folders. Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
I can type special command dir and list of file and folders appeared.
Okay.
When I type uh, display please for me file, and then I type a path and I say on directory OS there is a file which name is systeminfo.txt.
Okay.
and command line search for OS folder in system32 directory. In this directory, cmd search for OS folder. There is no OS folder there because it's folder in our user folder. Yes.
Yeah.
We create this folder in our user folder. So if we add this folder at system32, we need to use full path. And now I try to copy this path and put in my CMD. Yeah. So now I use a full path, absolute path. This path begin with root directory, begin from this point, and I say at C, at users, at my user folder, at OS, there is this file. Please read it for me. And this command must do it, and it's did it. Okay.
Okay. So I have to like type this whole thing here again in order for me to access the other files, right? Like the C usual dot, I have to, the type of file, I have to specifically, type it again, like the same thing as you did in order for me to get to the other files.
Sorry, I don't understand you.
That was,
For
I was speaking fast. Sorry,
for,
teacher.
for displaying this file, you must use type command and full path, and
Okay.
we say an absolute, the absolute path. If I in this directory, I can use the full path, but also also I can use a simple path and a relative path. If I
Okay.
am in user directory, my user directory, I need go to OS and read this file. If I will be in users directory, I need to go to user directory, my user, go to OS directory and read this file. If I am at C root directory, I need to go to users. I need to go to username, my username. I need to go OS and they read this file. If I am in other drive, on other drive, I need to use full path because I can't use relative path. So let's see. If I in users in this place, I need go to my user folder, home. I need to go to OS folder, and I need type my system info.txt. If I go to C, go to my root directory, I need use type and go into users folder, go into my user folder, home, go to in OS folder, and go to into and read this file. This is relative path. And when I go to another drive, if I go to in another drive, I cannot build relative path. I must jump and use full path which begins with root directory. So my type command will be c type c colon users, my username, OS folder. I go through all these folders and
The
then
steps. Mm-hmm.
my file's name. And these commands are all the same, but they um, run in different directory, and we can use absolute path, and we may use a relative path, An
Okay.
absolute path, it's okay for all mm, for all directory, for all drive. We always um, uh, mhm, we always can use it, but a relative path um, may be more simple, and we can use it in um, special tasks. Uh, uh, you have a discipline, web programming, yes, Mm, about about how to make sites. Have
Site.
you sites? Yeah, have you this discipline?
We are now studying it. So we haven't gotten far, but we are now studying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, right?
Yes, and when you create your page, you um,
Teacher, we just started with it, so we haven't even created anything yet. We are now learning it.
mhm.
Yeah, we just started the lesson recently, so they are now teaching us how to create a website and like yeah.
Uh, I know, but when we will create a site, we will use a relative path very much because if I mm, move my file from there in another drive,
Mm-hmm.
it will have another address, and I cannot um, take it for my old address. Uh, but when I move all OS directory, and there are other files in this directory, um, I can use relative path and um, um, use this file. For example, CSS. I use relative path and um, move all folders. No, can't explain it. So let's do our operating system task. Okay.
All right, teacher. Let's continue. Yeah.
So absolute path is everything okay for operating system. A relative path is more simple, um, less symbols, are used, but is more complicated. And we need to know how to build relative paths. But what about our help? I show you how read uh, how read the help about type. I clean my screen, CLS command, and print this help again. So file name is necessary argument. Drive and path is a drive name letter, and a path we just use it. Yes, we just use it. It's for absolute path. Drive letter C or D or E or F, and then a directory to our file. Which arguments are optional. Drive name and path are optional, and we can type file from the current directory. Does this command have any option? Option, it's about slash and letter. No, this command have no option. If yes, no, that's all. So it's help for this command. Next command is cd. I would like that one of you make this task about cd. Answer this question and answer these additional questions and show us your screen. Guys, who who can help us with this cd command and help about cd command? Guys, please. Who is wow my best students?
Teacher,
Enoch.
would you repeat your question again?
uh, you need to get help about cd command, answer this question and these additional questions, and show us your screen as I do it. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, but I don't have it right now.
Who can help me? I can do it, but I would like you join and do it with me. We are learning, right?
I can try. Okay.
Yes, you can share screen.
Teacher, you have to stop sharing first.
Okay.
Teacher, can you see my screen?
Yes, we see your screen, and I put my question into chat, into Zoom chat.
We can see your screen again. All right, we can see it. It's gone.
It's about cd command. Enoch, we did not see your screen.
Teacher, I can see my screen.
I see the screen. Okay, we need
you
to
can
get
see me.
help about cd.
Okay.
Print cd space slash it's backward slash. We need a slash. It's watermark. Press enter. So what does this command do? Please read it.
Yeah. It displays the name or changes the current directory. For
Yes.
example.
Yes. And another question is what are the necessary arguments of this command? Does this command has necessary arguments? Necessary arguments is without are without brackets.
Yes, it does.
No.
But-
See, this command have no necessary arguments, so we can just type cd and press enter. Try it.
Okay.
cd and enter. And we see our current directory. Yes.
Yes,
Absolute path to our current directory. So we don't need any necessary arguments for this command. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
We see it. Another question, which arguments are optional? Optional arguments are in square bracket. So we have such arguments. What arguments? In square bracket, we have
like drive and the path.
yes. So if we wanna go to another destination, we need to type cd drive and path, or cd only path without drive. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Please go to OS directory. Do you have this directory in your user folder?
Yes, teacher.
Please go into it. We type cd. We type cd change directory. It stands for change directory. Cd space and OS is a directory name. And press enter. We move into this directory. Yes, we use unnecessary arguments and move into this directory. Another, we have two dot. What does this parameter do? Dot. Tell me, what does it do?
If you want to change the parent directory.
Yes. What is the parent directory for OS?
C. C
No,
drive.
it's the root directory. C is the root directory.
The
Okay.
parent
Hard. Yes, your username hard is parent directory. So if you type cd, please type cd. It's okay. Uppercase, it's okay for CMD. It's not case sensitive. CD dot. dot dot, enter. We go to the parent directory, yes? If we repeat this command, please repeat it. We go to the parent directory, and so we can go to the root directory, yes? cd dot dot, and we into the root directory. And cd dot dot now, please type cd dot dot. That's all, because we are in the root directory, and the root directory have no parent directory. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So does this command have any options? Options is slash and a letter. Does this command have an options? Please.
Yes, teacher, I think so.
Yes, we have slash D option. Do you see slash D? Yes, slash D.
Yes, teacher.
What the help say about it, please?
To switch current drive.
Yes. If we type just CD, please type CD space D, the letter D, colon, and press enter. Yes, and press enter. We don't change our drive. Please enter, type cd space slash D.
Please, I can't see it. I think the thing is blocked on my.
And at the end we type D colon. We need to cd slash D slash, not backslash, cd, please. No. cd space slash D space, and now drive and colon D colon. Yes, D colon. We and now we add the drive. Do you understand? We type change
Yes,
directory
teacher.
for another drive and drive letter, and now we in another drive. Can you let me in? Middle. Okay. So now if we want to come back to our C drive, we must type, please type what we need to go into C, onto C drive, CD, slash D is option, and say change directory on another drive. Okay. C colon, press enter. Yes. So we can switch between different drive. Without slash there, we cannot change our drive. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher, it's clear.
It's
Yes.
special option. Is special option, and we use it. And now I have a special question about CD. How to display the current drive and directory. We do it, we just type cd without parameter, yes. Display current drive and directory. How to change current drive with slash D option. We just do it again. Very nice. Thank you. Guys, who can do another task about another command?
Teacher, I can.
Yes, okay. Pashan, you have a Windows machine, virtual machine?
Yes. Yes, I just downloaded, but would you let me to enter the Zoom from my laptop because I'm using my phone right now?
Yes. It's your turn, and please share your screen.
Teacher, now do you see my screen?
Yes, we see your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, your command will be tree command. Please run another CMD to have two windows. In one window, we will read the help. In another windows, we will print command. We will run command. Please open the second window. Pashan, open
Yes,
the
teacher.
second window. Click on this icon on the button CMD.
Mm,
Right click
Like-
on icon
icon, which one?
in taskbar
In taskbar.
on the bottom of your screen.
Tags on the button.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 And right click on it. Not office
No, no
CMD.
office. The CD.
Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yes, and run command prompt again. Click on it. You
Okay.
have two windows. Yes, on one Windows we will type help. On another Windows we will do our command.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So your command is tree. Put type tree. No, not three. Tree. TREE. Tree.
Ah, like
Tree.
this?
Yes. Space
Okay.
slash and without space move back question mark. Enter. My question for you. What does this command do? Please read us.
Graphically displays the folder structure of a drive or path.
Yes, it's true. Next, we in first window you can type it and look at result. At first window,
Okay.
please.
So I just write
Tree and press enter.
that?
No. I would like you do it in the first window.
In the first window. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tree. No. Command TREE. Enter. Without anything. This command graphically displayed our folders. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Go into second window and answer my question, please. What are the necessary arguments of this command? Does this command have a necessary arguments? necessary
Teacher, I don't know.
necessary arguments are without brackets. This command have arguments without brackets.
No, it has brackets.
Yes, all of them has brackets. So we can just print type 3 and the command will execute. Yes, and we do it. We just did it. This command display the folder of the current directory. Your current directory at the first window is D. Yes. And this command show the D drive folder structure. Next question is which arguments are optional? Which arguments is optional? These arguments with slash are optional too, but they are options. They are switches. So we say about drive and path. They are not necessary, but we can use it. Yes.
Yes.
For what purpose we can use it? For example, move into first window. If we would like to see our C drive tree, we must print tree space the drive name C colon. Colon. No. Two.
Okay.
Yes, and press enter. Now we see all these three. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C, Ctrl C. This combination must stop this displaying. Ctrl C. No.
No.
No. All.
But it's finished.
Okay. The C drive tree. No, it is not finished. The C drive tree are very big. Yes, and we see all folders, all files. It's awful. Please close this window.
Okay.
It was a bad idea. Now we at our users folder. This tree is very simple and looks very nice. Yes. Another questions. So we can use different paths and see different tree. Yes, for different folder. We can type tree. Please type tree and name of one of the folders. For example, OneDrive, or choose something. And press enter. Folder not exist. What wrong? What is wrong? Please type tree. Type tree space S C C and C ABC C. Oh no. Removal. C and press tab. button, tabulation. Yes, and press enter. No subfolders exist, so our folder is empty. Yes,
Yes.
this folder is empty. Please type OneDrive, for example. Tree OneDrive. Yes, tree begin with O and type press tab button. Type button. You can press tab button. Yes. No, and press enter. We can see our subdirectory, our child directory tree. Yes.
Yes.
What we you don't have OS directory. Yes, but move into OneDrive directory. Type cd, change directory space, and OneDrive. You can press tab and autocomplete. Enter. You now this directory. You are in OneDrive directory. If you want to see your parent tree, what command you need to use? Parent directory. Our parent directory has special name. All parent directory has
Tree?
special tree. Yes, this command tree. Type tree space and dot. Press enter. Dot is an alias for parent directory. Yes, do you understand? So
Yes,
if we type tree, please type tree dot. No, tree tree dot backslash. No, without space. Backslash and dot and dot and press enter. Now we see grandparent directory. Yes.
Yes.
And if we type tree space dot slash dot, we can see that awful C directory. Do you understand?
Yes. Should I do it?
No. Our C directory are very big.
Yes, I remember.
And so we use dot for parent directory and for parent directory and so on. Dot is about one level up. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, which arguments are optional? We do it. It's about drive and path. Does this command have any options? Let's see on the second window. Does this command have any options? Options, it's about slash and letter. Does your command have any options?
No.
Yes, your options are /f and /a.
Yes, yes.
So no, in the first window, please use it. Type
Like it.
tree, command tree, and /f and press enter. What do we see? We see only folders. There are no. No. We see OneDrive PDF yes, and personal vault.link. This is this a file, yes, not
Yes.
just folder. Without /f, we can see only folders. With /f, we can see files too.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Tree in parse directory with /f option.
Mm.
We see one drive directory. Now we must use ... Yes.
Yes. With
Uh,
a C or
yes.
without?
And press enter. Yes, we see not only folders. We can see files also. Yes.
Yes.
And try /a option for this command.
Oh, okay.
You can use up arrow and down arrow to go through history. Please press arrow down or arrow up.
I'm pressing it, but it doesn't work.
No.
The up
And
is work.
look, /a must be before ... /a must be before ... /a and /f /f type 2. Type F.
Where here?
Yes. I think we can join it, but they need a space between them. /a/f/ space ... Please enter them. Press enter. Yes, and we can see these ASCII symbols, plus, and this slash. Do you see it? So your command have two options, and we can use it if we want. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Another command will be
Okay.
tree.
In the first comment, right?
No. We finish with tree. Guys, who want join us? Who want to try getting help with dir command? It's very powerful command. Please.
Okay, teacher, let me try.
Okay, I have. Please share your screen. It's another of my best students. Yes, Philemon. So this task is about dir. Dir command is very powerful and has many options and arguments. So about dir command, we need to read help for this command. Philemon, your command is dir. Type please dir. dir space slash question mark and press enter. Ooh, this help is very big, and on the bottom, please scroll window, press any key to continue. It's not all help. Press any key. Now we see that this help is big. Yes. Please resize your window. Maybe make it you we will scroll. Yes. We yes. Okay, we see it. Read the help about command dir. What does this command do? Let's see. Go to the top and tell me. Go to the top of this window.
Okay, so displays.
No, it's optional. It's not the beginner of the help.
Okay.
Can you scroll this window?
Yes, please.
Yes. What does this command do?
So I think displays a list of files and subdirectories in a directory.
Yes.
So,
Display a list. It's like tree, but without graphical displaying. We can see only list, not graphical tree, only list. Files as subdirectory. Tree show us only directory and then directory with files, but we need to use special option. This command show us files and subdirectories. Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Next, what are the necessary arguments of this command? Necessary arguments. Go to the top, please. Yes. Look on the syntaxes. Dir, square bracket, drive, square bracket, square bracket, square bracket, square bracket. Does this command have necessary arguments? Necessary arguments are without bracket.
Yes, I think they have.
Where it is, I did not see any necessary, because all these arguments are in bracket. Do you see?
Okay. Yes.
They
teacher.
all are unnecessary. We
Okay.
can type only dir, and we will show our current directory folders and files. Yes.
Okay. Yes,
Please
please. But
type.
teacher, I have a question. So any unnecessary arguments are all in bracket, right?
Unnecessary in brackets.
Okay.
Necessary without brackets. So in the second window, please type in the second.
Second.
It's small. Type dir, 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 and press enter.
Okay.
And we see all your directories and there is a file. Yes, dot something.
Yeah. One file.
One file and 32 directories. Yes,
Yes, yes, please. Yeah.
and so our command does not need any necessary arguments. If we just type dir, we see the current directory folders and file. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next questions. Which arguments are optional? There are many optional arguments in this command. Please, in the first window, move to the top, to the begin, and we can see dir drive in the brackets. Drive is our drive name. C or D or E. Path is unnecessary. File name is unnecessary. And very much option. Slash and letter is option. Slash and letters are option. Yes.
Yes, yes, please.
So if we
So the attribute /a is an option, right? And
yes,
/b is also an option.
yes,
Okay.
and we can do very interesting things with these options. But
Okay.
for now, we try only drive and pass.
Okay, teacher. All right.
If we type only dir, we can see current directory. But if we not in this window, in the second,
The second one. Okay, teacher, I'm coming.
Do you have OS directory?
Yeah, teacher. I
Yeah.
have it.
Okay. So type dir
D.
dir
Okay.
space and OS and press enter. Now we see file not found. Where is my OS directory?
I have it here, teacher.
Philemon.
Yeah, I have it. Let me show you. I have it in here. So, yeah. There's it, teacher. I have it.
But why we don't have access from CMD? I don't know.
I don't know why too.
Go to this window, please.
Okay.
CMD second window. Okay. Type dir, not in this window, this help window. This is where we try our command. Type dir dir dir
Okay.
space, maybe OS in uppercase. OS. Press enter. What does sin means? Please scroll this window.
Let me write it.
I would like to see dir command. What does it show? What does it show? Scroll up. Scroll up. What does it show? Is this? Yes, it is OS, but maybe it's 0S.
0x. Oh. All right. Let me see. So dr
0S.
0s.
Philemon, you are bad. You are bad guy. You are very bad guy.
Sorry, teacher, I need to change it. Okay, let me rename it. Teacher, can I can I rename it? I have to rename it. Sorry, teacher.
In our next lesson, we will rename directory.
Okay. All right, teacher. Sorry, my. Oh,
You're very fast. That's a problem. It's a problem. We are very fast. Okay.
Alright.
So we at our OS 0S directory, and
Okay.
we use it name. Yes, we
Yeah.
use dir OS. If I would like to see you D drive
Okay.
directory, you type dir
DRI.
space space D colon no, not slash,
Column, right?
colon, and press enter.
Okay.
Ooh, it's your D drive directory and files. Yes, MP3
Yeah.
files on the root. It's a bad habit. You have many bad habits.
No, teacher, I used to play some DJ for some people, so like I had a lot of music on it. That is why. Now
I
delete it.
understand. It's okay.
Yeah,
It's
they're
okay
not
for you.
important.
It's okay. And you like JPEG files too?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can use a drive name, a path, yes,
Yeah.
to display our subdirectories and files. Next,
Okay.
next question. Which arguments are optional? About option, it's very interesting. About option, go to
Okay.
the first window.
Okay.
Go to the first window. No, first
The
window with
first
help.
one. Okay.
First one.
This.
Let's see. There are many options. This command has many options. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Slash letter is option.
Yeah.
Find options that help us to display only directories. Only
Only
directories.
directories. Only directories.
Read and find.
So I think directories /A allow us to.
/A but with D.
Yeah. This /AD.
Yes,
Yeah.
/AD. Please for D drive on the second window.
Okay.
On the second window. For D drive, use /AD option. No. Command
okay.
name. Command name.
Okay.
dir, then path. Yes.
Yeah. So
Space. No. Space.
this.
D colon. Space. And use /A. /A. D.
P.
D.
Okay.
And enter.
Okay.
That's your directories.
Yeah.
Not files, only directories.
Okay.
I record this video.
All right, teacher.
Okay. So we just see only directories.
Okay.
Next, display hidden files. How to display hidden files is another attribute.
Okay. So let's.
With A.
Yeah, it's A by H.
H. Yes.
Yeah.
So I think in your D drive
Mhm.
There is no hidden files. Yes.
Yeah.
The main directories for hidden files is C, Windows, System 32 directories. There are many system files in this directory. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Teacher.
type dir
Slash.
C, the path. Yes,
Okay.
the path
Yeah.
C
Mhm.
colon backslash
Backslash.
this is slash backslash
Oh.
window
Whoa, 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 whoa.
backslash
Teacher.
as users as before users. Yes, Windows, and you can type tab. You can press tab and autocomplete.
Okay.
Backslash
Backslash.
system 32
32.
32
Okay.
space,
Space.
and now we need option. We need our option.
Okay. So,
What is this option in first window? Yes.
yeah. H.
Yes, but slash a h
Slash.
slash
Slash
a
AH.
yes slash
Slash.
no this slash a h
H.
yes, and press enter.
What is
No,
this?
file not found. Why? Why is this file not found? We can use tabulation tab for
Windows.
Windows. Print dir dir space c colon slash w and press tab. No, without tabulation tab on your keyboard.
Okay. Tap. I'm coming.
Escape and two rows.
No.
Y
It's not working. I don't know.
W
Okay.
and tab.
Mm.
Please show me your C drive.
C drive. Okay.
After 0S, I don't know.
I'm coming, teacher. Let me. This my. Oh sh. No.
Local C.
Yeah. This is it, teacher.
I see Windows, but I don't know why we can't move back to CMD.
Okay.
Please type Windows. Yes. Slash.
Uh-huh.
No. Sorry, backslash and S for system. S and
Okay.
tab. Next one, tab. Again, tab again.
Another. Okay.
Yes, repeat tab. Repeat.
System.
Ну, хорошо. Окей. Let's see system. Delete dot .ini. Delete this. Your folder is named system, not system 32.
Okay.
Yes. So space, and we use slash ah slash a slash
Slash
a
H. Oh, small letter.
Windows is not case sensitive, so we can use both.
Any. Okay.
Any. Enter. Press enter.
Still 5 minutes from. I think something is wrong.
Let's repeat it.
One more time.
Yes, but without repeat it. But system and try autocomplete. Yes, and for system use autocomplete S and tab.
S
And tab. Next, repeat. Stop. Stop. You're very fast. You're very fast.
Let me delete it and do it again. Okay, so S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Stop.
This one.
Yes. Press enter. Only without options. Press enter.
All right. So you got it. Yeah.
Repeat this command with options.
Okay.
You can use arrow up and arrow down to scroll through the history. Arrow up, arrow down. Let's try. Yes.
Okay.
But S is a big one. S for system. First letter. No.
Yes.
System. Yes. Space. H slash AH.
Slash A.
H. Enter. No, and file not found. It tried to find only hidden files. Yes, and directory is not display. It find only hidden files. How to display subdirectory with their files? Subdirectories with their file. We can use /s option /s.
Okay, so
for this path we will use repeat this and space /s /s. Enter. We can see subdirectories and file. Is this subdirectories? Yes.
Yeah.
We can see all this stuff. Yes.
Directories of C Windows. Yeah. Okay.
And without S, we can see only the first level.
Yeah.
Only child.
Without the X?
With S, we can see grand.
Yeah.
And their family. Okay?
Yeah. Yes, teacher.
Yes. And we can sort of all these files and folders. Please look at the help
Okay.
in the first window. We can use option for sort for sorting to sort.
Okay.
/o
/o, yeah.
/o
Yeah.
and we can sort file and no
Okay.
game. We can sort by name, by extension, by group directory first, by size, by date. Do you see this? /o.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. Do you see this? And by name, yes, this.
Yeah.
And by name, by
alphabet.
extension, and so on. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So we can sort our files, directories, and all the stuff. Okay. Let's try one option. We will sort by what? We will sort by what?
O.
By U? What is
O.
O.
Yeah.
It's O, but by what? By name, by size.
So by name N. By name N.
Yes.
By size S. By extension E.
Yes.
Yeah. By group G. And by prefix is by dash. So
the reverse order.
yeah.
Yes. So let's run dir in this directory. Dir. Only dir. Yes. Type dir and press enter. Dir. 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 Your task is dir. Okay. Enter. This is all your directory. Please sort it by name. Yes, by name.
Okay.
So we need dir space slash
this
o yes order o and n yes name o order and name.
Name.
Yes, n. We can use uppercase and lowercase. Where is my
It's not working, teacher.
space?
I used it. Okay.
No. In this directory, no. In this directory, this folder we will sort. No slash, not backslash. Slash o n. Enter. Are they sort? Are they sorted?
Let me check it, teacher. Let me see. Okay.
I think so because
100.
0s folder with dot sort first. Yes.
Yeah.
Then we have 0. Then we have letters. Yes.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yes. So we sort it.
Okay.
It's okay. Please sort this directory by size, by date, by date.
Okay. So let's use D.
Yes.
Slash.
Yes.
S. D, right?
No, order. We sort O
So O.
O and D. Order by date.
Okay.
Enter. Yes. Let's see. Yes. They are sorted by date.
Okay. Yeah, you can see the date here.
They are sorted.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all.
All right, teacher. Thanks.
It's okay.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, teacher. So that's it. That's all for today. Huh?
That's all for today. I record our lesson.
Mhm.
Thank you for joining and thank you for helping.
All right, teacher.
See
Thank
you
you so much.
on Wednesday.
Have a
Alright.
good day, teacher. Bye.
Have a wonderful day too.
Bye.
See you, teacher.